Hey guys, today is the last day of my macrame shapes series, so I wanted to make sure I left one of my best videos for last. Today I'm going to show you how to create a colored letter using vertical double half-hitch knots. You can make any letter or number with this technique, so please let me know if you'd like a tutorial for another letter or number. Today I will show you how to create the letter E. Let's get started. Attach color 1 to the left side of your work using a vertical double half-hitch knot. Continue tying vertical double half-hitch knots until you've reached the right side of your work. Using the working cord on the left side of your work, tie one vertical double half-hitch knot working from the right to the left. Attach color 2 to the right of color 1 using a vertical double half-hitch knot. Tie 9 more, 10 total, vertical double half-hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Tie one vertical double half-hitch knot on the right side of your work using color 1. Attach a new working cord in color 2 to the cord second from the left using a vertical double half-hitch knot. Tie one more vertical double half hitch knot moving from the left to the right. Instead of attaching a new cord here, I'm going to use the same cord to tie two vertical double half hitch knots working from the right to the left. You can choose to add a new cord, but this way you will have less cords to tuck into the back of your work once you are finished. Attach a new working cord in color 1 using a vertical double half hitch knot. Tie 8 more, 9 total, vertical double half hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Using the same working cord, tie 9 vertical double half hitch knots working from the right to the left. To connect the two sides, I'm going to use my 2 beige working cords from the right of the E and tie a vertical double half hitch knot with each of them to the filler cord on the left of the E. Attach a new working cord in color 2 using a vertical double half hitch knot. Tie 5 more, 6 total, vertical double half hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Attach a new working cord in color 1 using a vertical double half hitch knot. Tie 4 more, 5 total, vertical double half hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Using the working cord on the left, tie another vertical double half hitch knot. Using the top working cord in color 2, tie 2 vertical double half hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Tie 2 more vertical double half hitch knots moving from right to left. Attach a new working cord in color 1 using a vertical double half hitch knot. Tie 8 more, 9 total, vertical double half hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Using the same working cord, tie 9 vertical double half hitch knots moving from the right to the left. Repeat the same process as we did above by using the working cords on the right to tie your vertical double half hitch knots on the left. Attach a new working cord in color 2 using a vertical double half hitch knot. Tie 9 more, 10 total, vertical double half hitch knots moving from the left to the right. Using the working cord on the left, tie another vertical double half hitch knot moving from right to left. To finish it off, I'm going to attach one more cord in color 1 next to color 2 on the right side of my work using a vertical double half hitch knot. Working from right to left, tie one new row of vertical double half hitch knots. That's 12 knots total. Leave the ends hanging or tuck them into the back of your work. Thanks so much for watching. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you've used one of my tutorials. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up below, and if you have any feedback, please feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly video tutorials.